Hi everyone, I'm here to represent my speech, Youth, the Hope of Tomorrow. Youth is the hope of future. This word from their Jose Rizal. Jose Rizal tell us the young people of today will be the leader of tomorrow. But what does it mean? To be the hope of our country. The youth has the power to bring change. We live full of changes, poverty, corruption, and lack of discipline. But the youth has make a difference. Taught energy, creativity, modern ideas, but the youth taught energy, creativity, and modern idea. We can create solution to help to improve our society, even a small action like being honest, help each other or help other, and caring our environment to step forward. Education gives the youth strength. Well educated youth is a strong foundation for a better nation when we stay hard and value. Learning we gain the knowledge, education, wisdom needed to make good decisions. Education teaches us discipline, patience, and responsibility. Qualities and every leader must have. The youth must have a good value to being the hope of tomorrow. It's not about like age or intelligence, it's about to character. We must learn to be respectful, responsible, and being humble. Of our value will guide in using our talent for good and leading the others to do it right way. To sum up, the youth truly are the hope of tomorrow. We have the strength, intelligence, and passion to be shape our future, but we